You can see here, this is Kindle Paperwhite 7th generation. Okay, and you can see here it is KUA wow, something like that, and this has been installed in the Kindle. It means that it has been jailbroken. After jailbroken, you can install this KUAL or something like that. This can be installed after you jailbreak the Kindle. Okay, now we are going to install Android on this device, on the same device. Let us see whether we get successful or not. Okay, we just have connected Kindle to PC. Okay, here you can see USB. It is connected here, and this is our PC, and this one is the file that we are supposed to open first. And in U-boot you will get these two folders. One is extension and another is main HTML part. So first open a extension. Okay, we are supposed to open extension. Okay, here you can see open extension. Copy this, copy it. Okay, you can see copy and paste it directly into Kindle. Here you are supposed to directly paste it. Automatically it will go wherever it wants to. Okay, I just pasted that file first, and the next one we just paste it. Which one? Extension. Now we are supposed to paste another file from the same. Where has it gone? From Kindle Paperwhite 3. Where is it? Here. Okay, here from U-boot we already have pasted this one. Now we are supposed to paste this. Copy this, and here paste it here. Okay, which file? Main HTML viewer.tar. This file we are supposed to copy and paste. Okay, after that we are supposed to eject this. Okay, eject the Kindle. Okay, which I just ejected it. Now here on Kindle you can see on cowl you will be able to see some option. Here you can see flash Android, this option. You just have to click this. Okay, and your Kindle will start automatically. Here you can see the Kindle is stuck, and now in this way I have to connect it to PC again. I'm just connecting it to. I have to open this file, this firmware. Okay, and start this bat. Okay, I have to run this file. It will start. Here you can see it will start waiting for device, it is saying. Okay, so when it is saying waiting for device, we are just supposed to press the power button. Okay, until that yellow light turns off. Yes. Now here you can see convert to dual. If you want to convert it into dual, you are supposed to press 8. So I just press 8. Here you can see. Okay. Now it is downloading. Here you can see the percentage. Okay. Now it is flashing the Android, and Kindle, after that Kindle will reboot to Android home screen automatically. Okay. So here you can see it is booting 50%. 65%. 87%. 94%. Here 100% you can see, and here you can see the Kindle. Here there are different files which are being downloaded, Kdroid and all those things, kernel. One by one it is being downloading or it is uploading. So whenever 100% will be completed, it will automatically start. Here you can see it has stuck, Kindle has stuck on the progress bar. Here it is starting, it's loading. Yes. Resetting system all done. Press any key. So I just press the key, and I hope that it will start. It is on progress bar. I think it will start automatically. Yes, you can see it is getting started. I will remove this. Yes, you can see this is automatically being started, and here you can see the logo of Android. You can see here. It's starting. Actually, this Kindle is quite, screen is a little bit damaged, but it doesn't matter. Installing Android will help us to read this Kindle into black and white. Actually, when we install Android on it, we get lots of features like reading on full moon reader. We can also use dictionary, any dictionary app on it. We also can easily install any browser, and we can read many articles. Okay, yeah, Android is upgrading, and it's quite good. Yes, you can see here co-reader is already installed. They have also browser here. Okay, so you can, here their e-ink setting is also given, which is very good. Here you can see, and here you have the option that if you want to go to Kindle again, you can switch to Kindle. Here you can see start Kindle OS. So it's like a dual boot system. Okay, so if you are not comfortable with Android, you can go again and use the Kindle OS. Okay, that's how we have installed Android on our Kindle. Okay, thank you.